Hello and welcome to Raeann's channel. Today I'm going to be discussing with you what props I like to use in the classroom. First of all, my favorite prop are these when I teach for VIPKID and for iTutor. These are my favorite props. The microphone, cards from the dollar store, Frozen from my kids' things. A great thing also to use are the doll pieces that go onto a doll, and so for the younger grades especially, they really like the hands-on. Putting headpiece on with the younger kids can never go wrong. It's not really a prop, but something I use every time is putting some kind of lip things on, because you need to try to speak very clearly and sometimes point to your mouth when you're saying something so they can understand every word. My favorite thing, my favorite color is pink or blue, purple. I like to eat hot dogs. I like to draw. Having a whiteboard right there, you're ready to go, showing them how to draw a shape, square. It's kind of a funny square. Triangle. This is a triangle. Square. It has 4 sides. Speaking very clearly all the while as you go. Now to get into what I use for rewards. So much fun. So students, whether they're older or they're younger, you give them rewards throughout the whole lesson. I will start with the younger group. The young girls, usually girls below the age of 8 or 9, like Frozen. So magnets, anything magnetic is very helpful. It's flat, it's easy to store. So I give a character for each of the ones. I put it up. For each star I give them throughout this whole class. The class is 25 minutes long, so therefore, one every 5 minutes. So when you do good, you get a Frozen magnet. Okay? For the boys, the 3-year-old to 9 years, I turn to this board. Starting with the younger group, dinosaurs or vehicles. This is a cookie sheet that I just nailed up here with 2 nails, and perfect for storing these. And the kids can see them during the lesson. They can see I'm in a corner, so they can see the whiteboard behind me and these. And so let's say they get the dinosaur. Let me fix this. And yay! You got a star! Right here. They can see it visually, and they can see the next ones they get. The girls all the way up to 12 even love my cupcakes. Yes, I do that in the camera for them. They have so much fun. Rawr. Make sure to be interactive when you share your props with them. And a lot of times they like the superheroes. These came off Amazon. I can put the link below. Super cute. There's 5 of them. 5 for 5 stars. You catching on? And here, $3 at Walmart. dinosaurs and wild animals. So I'll open it up and take one out at a time. Yay, you got a giraffe. You have a giraffe. And so you take 5 of them, and by the end, I show them all at once. If you can hold them in your hand. Otherwise, you can just point. Like 5 stars. Do what works for you. Do what works for you. Those are my props. Some of my containers of props I have nailed to my little desk. So I have one below here. Let me see if I can show you. So I actually have my computer up on here on these books to make it level so you can see my face, the lamp for brightness, and this one's not nailed down, but this one is. So I have this little thing that comes out. It's a very small desk, but I put all my props on it. I also have a picture as my props. So I often show my children and my husband. There's a point of interest. You want to try to connect with your student. So finding something that they like and showing them a little bit about your life, where you live, pointing out where you live. I live in the Midwest, so I say, hey, I live. And it's great to make connections. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my props in action and getting a feel for how you share them when you're teaching with VIPKID. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me below at my email or Facebook or Instagram. I love to chat with you more, and I hope that helped you. It's a lot of fun to teach for VIPKID and be really silly. It's so much fun to teach the kiddos. The kiddos are very kind and very respectful, and I feel very blessed to be a teacher by trade, which you don't have to be. You just need a bachelor's degree and a year of teaching somewhere, Sunday school, your kids, tutoring, to do this job. So it's brought so much freedom to our family. Me being a stay-at-home mom with 3 girls, 5, 4, and 2, and then a baby being born very soon, within a week or so. So I look forward to hearing from you and if you want to be a part of VIPKID. If you do not have a mentor already, I would love to help you along the hiring process. So I hope this video helped. Maybe you're already a VIPKID teacher. Voila, more ideas. I love more ideas. Isn't that fun? I hope you have a great day. Thank you. See you later.